Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to another video from TW White & Sons. So here we have a super desirable car, a Mazda 2 5-door automatic with 41,000 miles. This car has always been looked after and sold by TW White & Sons. So I think we've actually sold it to its previous two customers. Obviously it is 12 years old now. It's only done 41,000 miles. It's in beautiful condition. And I've got the service history in the car, so no doubt you will find a cheaper one, but I doubt you'll find one like this. Now the great thing about these little cars, they're 4-cylinder and they've got an automatic gearbox with a torque converter. So the likes of Toyota lost a lot of customers to us because they put these sort of hybrid gearboxes in their small cars, along with other manufacturers, putting people off because they used to roll back on hills and stuff. But this doesn't. This is smooth, it's seamless, it doesn't roll back on hills. So a nice solid little automatic car. Now these are 1.5, they're extremely frugal. They've got a good sized boot, family friendly, with a spare wheel, because the manual Mazda 2s wouldn't have had a spare wheel, which is why I'm drawing your attention to it. All the autos were 5-door. This car's beautiful. Now, the first owner was, I believe, TW White & Sons, and then the second two were customers here at Orpington. The last customer, her mother, herself, her brother are all customers here at Orpington. In fact, her brother bought a car about 24 hours before she bought a car, the previous owner of this car. So she's gone away with a CX-30, and we've got this lovely Mazda 2 in part exchange, and it's really delightful. Got recent brakes, you can see them, all new. But yeah, let me show you in the car. Now, we have in the past tried to source cars like this externally out of our usual customer database, and we end up getting a car that's not that great. We have to spend a lot getting them up together mechanically and cosmetically, and it's kind of a wasted exercise. These ones that we've always had in the company have always been delightful. Now look at this. Actually, no, I believe it was our demo car. Look at this. So we did the PDI, but it obviously came from our other branch because that's about 40 miles away. Then we did service at 4,300, 8,400, 18,000, 22,000, 24,000, 27,000, 29,000, 32, 34 and 37. Now where will you get a better service history than that? All here at TW White & Sons, apart from a couple at our Bookham branch. How about that? All right. Now this has got ice cold air conditioning. Once again to the gearbox, a seamless gearbox, what you'd expect from an automatic. Steering wheel's in great shape. You've got a trip computer, volume control there, CD player. Now there is this sort of parrot Bluetooth kit. Now this car, if this works, it's a bonus, but we don't advertise it as having it because this is aftermarket, and so we don't warrant things like that. You've got this glove box that's got this sort of quick access. Only ever seen that on a Mazda 2. Got a little auxiliary in here. Air conditioning's very, very good. Folding in wing mirrors. How about that for 2012? But yeah, this is a delightful little car. The inside's all lovely. This will be good. You'll have another 10 years motoring, 12 years motoring in this car, I should imagine. Okay, so brilliant service history. And the car really, you know, it's done 41,000 miles and it feels like it's done sort of 4,100 miles. Now this will also be an approved used Mazda, so 12 months MOT, 12 months warranty, 12 months roadside assistance. Let me see when it was last serviced. It was last serviced in November at 37,642. So what are we now? Almost September, aren't we? September, October, November. Yes, so we'll service the car, all right. We'll service the car. I'm sure it had an MOT in March, so yeah, so it'll just be servicing, a full 101 check, and that'll have a 12-month Mazda warranty. Now it's a Mazda warranty, so if you're looking at these cars and they're not from a Mazda garage, it's not the same thing. The levels of prep, the warranty, the coverage of the warranty just won't be the same. Okay, so please compare apples for apples, pears for pears. Our standards are much higher. Okay, so the warranty we've covered. We've got great part exchange facilities because we actually want your part exchange. But I know there's a lot of heavily advertised companies out there that tell you you'll get a better deal and sell your car to them in 2 seconds and take the hassle out of everything, blah, blah, blah. No, let's get in touch with us. Let's see what we can do for you. But please do all those things. But pick up the phone, drop us an email, get in touch. Let's see what we can do. And hopefully you can have a seamless, enjoyable buying experience at TW White & Sons. Okay, so warranty we covered, part exchange we covered. We've got dealer facilities, delivery facilities. We're a 7-day-a-week business and we don't mind responding out of hours, so just get in touch. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so please like, subscribe, comment below, and please do check out our reviews. So thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye-bye.